So I just got a notification that my package just came in. This is one of 2 packages. I still have one more package coming in, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. So I checked in. It said that a package was in for me.
You trying to ship that?
No.
Oh. Oh, gosh. I'm like, great. You're gonna pick up this one?
Yes.
Okay.
That's actually the batteries for this.
Oh, is it really?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
Hey, you too. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks, you too.
Oh, I'm so ready for it.
All right, well, my package has come in, and these are the batteries for the camera I'm shooting on now. I have extra batteries for my other camera, but I'm using this camera more because it shoots 4K. Power extra. Yeah, the only bad thing about these cameras is that the battery life is not long at all. Awesome. I have 4 batteries in total, so they each come with a charger, which is awesome. I think I have 2 packs of these. Yep. Here's the other batteries, but I wonder what that other pack is. Let's see, yep, there's the other batteries. This will be awesome. So glad. I always love to keep extra batteries on hand. That's what I ordered as well, is I ordered an extra battery for my bike, so that way when I'm using one battery, I can be charging the other one. Just be easier that way. What is this? Oh, another battery charger. I thought it came with this. This is the dual battery charger. And this actually has a gauge on it, letting me know. And see, there's the USB cable, because it plugs in just USB. I love that. Well, I'm glad that so I have like 3 battery chargers. That'll be super cool. So this is what the batteries look like. They're pretty small looking. So there it is right there, lithium ion battery. Yeah, I am so glad to have these because I am always running out of battery. Then I have to plug in an external battery, and this will be much easier and better. And I have 4 of these, so I should be good when it comes to filming. What you think of the battery, Moo-moo, huh? She's like, is it a chew toy? Look at her ears go up. That's too funny. No, I'll get you one though. Yeah, I saw your tail wag. You want a chew toy? Chew toy? Yes? Okay. Alright. There you go, chew toy. It's her favorite pastime. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and head back to the Buena Vista Park that I was at and fix me some lunch and charge up these batteries. Batteries are in the charger and charging. They should be done shortly, hopefully. Not sure how long it takes. Water boiling. Gonna make me some white cheddar pasta. Actually, this is just the base. I'm actually making a Philly cheese pasta. It's really easy to make. Luckily, there's a packet of white cheddar cheese sauce. You don't have to add any butter, any milk. It comes with the sauce. I love that stuff. And then you add the beef and some sauteed mushrooms with a spoonful of mayo, and it tastes just like Philly cheesesteak. It's awesome, awesome. These are the spices I'm going to use. There's garlic powder, black pepper, and there's the Montreal steak. You don't have to use this if you don't want to. Usually I just use these 2, but since I had this, I thought I would use it. So done, time to drain them. time for the cheese sauce. Now all we have to do is combine all the ingredients. And 1 spoonful of any choice of mayo you like. I use Duke's. Those packets are so small, and I do keep an extra box of elbow noodles, so I just add in 2 handfuls of more noodles, and that's how I get it to be so full. It makes so much, I have plenty more for later. This is probably 2 more helpings. So all I do is put it in the refrigerator, and when I'm ready for it, I just take it out and warm it up. After it cools down, add a little bit of mayonnaise, and it's good to go. The key is to use white cheddar. That's what makes it taste like steak and cheese. All right, bon appetit. So yummy. Oh, that is delicious. Yum, yum. So the rest of the gang decided to meet us here. We are going to the Lariat to hang out. I think they have live music and stuff. So we made it to the Lariat, and we are just going to enjoy the band that's getting ready to play. Maybe have something to eat.
How many special people change? How many lives are living strange? When you are we will get high. Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. When you are we will get high. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in the champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in the champagne supernova in the sky. Down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where you are, we will hide. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in the champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide. In the champagne supernova, champagne supernova, but we don't believe that we're gonna get away for the summer. You and I will never die, the world keeps spinning around, we don't know. get high. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me caught beneath the landslide in a champagne supernova, champagne supernova. But we don't believe that they're gonna get away for the summer. You and I will never die. The world keeps spinning round. We don't know why. How many special people change? How many lives are living strange? Maybe you are we.